Guys, Scott from FatB Trader here, just bringing you a quick video update on the Euro US dollar trade we placed on Profitly this afternoon. So just having a look now what's actually taking place. You can see we took a trade earlier on today against this level of 1.1224, and that basically didn't work out. You can see why. Our initial target was down here at the 112 level. In fact, I think I might have just been targeting 112.05 just to get out nice and early, but didn't get there. It got stopped out, which is unfortunate, but it's just the way it goes. Now, we've looked at this trade as a re-entry because of the fact it's come through this level of support and resistance, tagged it, and then moved higher without actually falling through. So that is what we're looking at for our entry. Now our exit on this particular trade, if we go back to have a look at you can see what's happened here. You've got non-farm payroll, this massive spike up, sort of distorting the whole scenario, I guess, around the price. But from my perspective, this level here, this 112.44, 112.45, is a pretty good level to look at for an exit target. Now, that's about 15 or 20 points. I've actually put it a little bit above, there, because when we see these levels hit, you tend to get a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a stop run. Price looks like it's just reversing at the moment. I think we're probably, I'm still trying to work out all the time zone conversions here, but I'm pretty sure we're just before London trade. Let me just have a look at the calendar. Right, so London opens in about 20 minutes. And I would anticipate we'll probably see this trade finalise itself before then. Like I said, I'm looking for that 1.1250 level for the price to push up through there. Failing that, obviously the place for the stop is below the key level, which is the level that we've taken the trade against. And obviously if it goes through there, you know you're wrong, so it's time to cut it and move on. Righto guys, that's pretty much it for now. We'll bring you a little video update later on once this trade is closed out and see how it's all panned out. Righto, so we've just seen London open, and you can see the price action has been pretty psycho. It's come basically right down to test the entry point, and essentially it's gone below it by about 6 or 7 pips, and then it is pretty much turned on a dial and reversed back. So I'm thinking we're going to see a pretty strong run into London, but that being said, I'm still going to stick with the original plan and just take profit off at this 112.55 level, which I reckon we're going to see a stop run now. So let's just see, once we get above that level we should see a decent spike. That wasn't very convincing, was it? Wasn't very convincing. Just having a look here at the tick chart, it's sort of showing that not a lot of follow through there. Let's just see what happened. So what I'm looking at, guys, is this zone right here. We'll come back in a few minutes and just see if it's managed to crack up through there. Righto guys, so we're back again, and I've just stepped out for a quesadilla and come back and look what's happened. We've had the stop run that we're expecting, and basically the price has pushed through to the one. It's actually gone higher than I certainly expected, but on that initial push it's head up to 112.60. Like I said, we got out around 112.55. Where is it going to go from here? Well, who knows? I mean, this thing here, honestly, I think it's a bit of a freak number. It's you know, job numbers being lower than expected. I really don't think that in the long term it's going to change the fundamental picture of what's happening between the euro and the US dollar. I mean, obviously one country I should say, is looking to raise rates. The other is still, you know, like negative rates or trying to basically stimulate their economy. So, you know, I think short term, yep, that might be an issue, but I think in the intermediate to longer term, we're definitely going to see the euro down. But that certainly won't colour my, you know, short-term trading. It's just something to bear in mind in the back of your mind if you're holding longer-term positions, basically, or longer-term sort of fundamental plays. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it for now. I'm still holding my my Oz 200 short. I think we're going to see some downside there still, which is why I'm still holding it. It's just flopping about. It's been negative, it's been positive, but it's a longer term play, and I'm not actually that concerned about what it's doing day to day. So, righto guys, hope that all makes sense. I'm going to go enjoy my dinner, and till next time, trade well.